let's speak about the brainstorming. And the brainstorming is something that you don't want to make more than 45 minutes. And occurrences weekly or bi-weekly, you can choose with your team. And the purpose of the brainstorming is to brainstorm solutions and to gather some ideas from everybody from the team to a specific problem. And the structure is simple. Think about the topic that's relevant currently. First of all, make yourself a Google Docs, like one brainstorming document for one team. And then you place a backlog on top of it, and everybody can write down ideas whenever they have some problems they want to discuss with the team. And this is the one time per week where you can brainstorm one or two topics, depending on how heavy they are, and a person can get help from the team members about the thing that puzzles him. And so choose the topic when you start, and then brainstorm ideas. Everybody can write down whatever idea comes to their mind, how to solve this puzzling problem that this one team member has. And remember, the rule here is any of these things that are written down will not be criticized. Nobody laughs about ideas. Everything that comes to your mind that's the point of the brainstorm. Everything can be written down and no critiques are added. And so after you have written down everybody has written down their ideas, you're going to walk them through and think about what can we do, which kind of actions we can take, and you're going to generate an action plan, right? It's super important. Don't just brainstorm ideas and leave it there. Generate specific action plan and then assign these actions to people, and of course then think about the deadline of the plan, because ideas without execution and deadlines are just wishes, right? And so if you can set a KPI or number, how you can also measure the result of this issue, is it solved or not, then it also becomes like an experiment. And so brainstorming is a cool way how to increase the team spirit, to help each other out, and to have fun on the same time. It's a great culture building activity. And again, if you don't have any topics or any problems, but by the way you seldomly don't, then you don't have to have that. But we recommend always to try to everybody has something that puzzles them, just speak up and then ask for help and brainstorm and have fun with this. Thank you.